Okay, Harley.
It has been a tough year for 11-year-old Harley, a husky mix who came from a loving family, who now finds his love in a daily stroll to the mailbox. You see, Harley has spent much of the last 365 days in this pen at Little Traverse Bay Humane Society.
An old man, he kind of gets set in his ways a little bit, but you know, he's still got a couple good years to give somebody willing to give him a home.
Harley is part of an increasing trend at the shelter, older animals being surrendered. It's happening for several reasons, but the economy is playing a big part.
And the most common is that people have lost their home and they're moving into either a rental unit, apartment, another house that won't allow animals.
Racines says there's also an increase of animals coming in with health issues. It has a no-kill policy, so it's stuck with the bill, which averages about $1,000 per animal for the donor-funded organization.
I mean, that definitely, it definitely takes its toll on our resources when there's physical and medical problems with the animals when they come in here.
But the biggest problem the shelter has seen, nobody seems to want a dog like Harley or an older cat, animals that Racines says deserve a chance to live out their lives happily.
So when you've had a dog or a cat for all these years and they have their personalities, you have to understand that the homes that they could be in are quite limited.
The chances for these older dogs to be adopted gets less and less as they grow older, but here at the Little Traverse Bay Humane Society, they hold on to that little glimmer of hope that one day they'll be adopted. In Harbor Springs, I'm Andrew Keller, 7 and 4 News.